In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new page on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make your page visible on your store. Start by opening your web browser and heading to shopify.com. On the homepage, look for the login option, typically near the top right. Click it, then sign in using your email and password, or choose one of the alternative sign-in options you prefer. Once you're in, you'll land on your Shopify admin dashboard. From here, turn your attention to the left-hand sidebar, find and click Online Store. This opens a group of options related to your storefront. Within that section, select Pages. The Pages area is where all your store's standalone pages live, like About, Contact, FAQs, or any custom page you want to create. Next, click Add Page. This opens the page editor. At the top, give your page a clear, concise title. The title appears to your customers and helps organize your site, so keep it descriptive, like Returns and Exchanges or About Our Brand. Below the title, you'll see the content editor. This is where you write your page content. You can type text, format it with headings and lists, and add images or links. Aim for scannable sections and straightforward language so visitors can quickly find what they need. If you add images, make sure they're compressed for fast loading and include descriptive alt text for accessibility. On the right side of the editor, you'll find the visibility settings. New pages are usually set to hidden by default, which means customers can't see them yet. When you're ready for the page to be live, change the setting to visible. If you're planning ahead, you can keep it hidden while you draft, then switch to visible later when everything looks good. Once your title, content, and visibility are set, click Save. Saving locks in your changes and publishes the page if you set it to visible. If anything needs tweaking, you can always return to this page later to edit the content, adjust formatting, or update the visibility. A quick tip: creating a page doesn't automatically add it to your store's navigation. If you want customers to find it from your menu, you'll add it to your navigation separately from the online store settings. That's outside the scope of this walkthrough, but it's good to keep in mind. That's it. You've created a new page on Shopify, set its visibility, and saved your work. Thanks for watching and happy building.